So once you enter your puberty, the next headache for all the women out there, I know, is dysmenorrhea, that is painful menses. And I know everybody has experienced this at some time in their life. Few could tolerate it, others it's like you hate your menses because of the dysmenorrhea, right? So this is the situation, and how we deal with it. In homeopathy, how we deal with it. So every dysmenorrhea should not be just treated like, oh, it's just pain, abdomen and relax. No, it has to be investigated, because for somebody it could be a simple menstrual pain, but for somebody it could be a cyst, it could be an ovarian cyst, it could be endometriosis, it could be a tumor, it could be a fibroid, it could be a worse pathology. So every case which has a severe dysmenorrhea or severe menstrual pain has to be diagnosed. You have to undergo some investigations, okay, ultrasonography, etc. I'll tell you again how we in homeopathy, how we deal with it. For example, now the classic, how is the classic dysmenorrhea or pain? Usually you see a lady sitting with a hot water bag, right? Everybody, so we know the hot water bag is always good for you. So you'll see many of the ladies sitting with a hot water bag, and it's they are charming. And we have a beautiful remedy for them called Magfos. Now people, viewers there, you can really make note of that. I'm giving you a little hint. Magfos is an amazing remedy where, see, usually when the menses start, you get pain, and once the flow starts, in usual cases, the pain goes, like the second day pain goes, the first day, till it starts a lot of pain, cramps. So here, once the flow starts, you're better, and better by warmth and better by pressure. The remedy is Magfos. People, you can actually buy and keep this remedy. I have cousins in Goa, and everybody has this in their house, and they are very happy to have it. So once they get their menses, they know what to take. This is not a specific, but this could be one of the easy thing for you if you are going for any allopathic painkillers, okay? Trust me, I used to have very bad dysmenorrhea, and now with homeopathy, I think it's helping me a lot, and I hardly take any painkillers. So again, how in homeopathy, how we understand this dysmenorrhea, very severe menses. For example, this could be different presentation. So one person who likes warm compress and they feel better. Now there's another case which I had. The person had frequent urging for stools. Every time there's a menses, there's constant desire. She'll go to the bathroom again and again. There's feeling that she has to pass stools, and sometimes frequent stools also. So, it's a kind of, vagus stimulation where you have this nausea and also urging for stool. And the remedy which could help is Nux vomica in this case, where there is increased desire for stool. I'm just giving you hints how we deal with the cases. So I'll give you another case. How do we deal with these cases? So we had this case of an unmarried girl. She was 35 and very severe dysmenorrhea. I mean, severe, she would just roll. She had no painkillers working on her. She was hardly reactive to them. She would roll on the ground. She was not able to take it. And she was also kind of react, like she would vomit if she took painkillers, and in a very bad state. Okay. And now she had developed pain in the left ovary, and the pain would just go down her left limb. So when we do a homeopathic case, this is very important for us to understand your problem in a very specific way. So in this, so we saw two examples, one who's better by warmth, Magfos, somebody who is urging for stool, Nux vomica. Now this girl had this pain going down the leg. In her legs, the pains would go, and extremely restlessness. And third, her personality, she was extremely hurried. She had to do something or the other all the time, could not rest, had to work, completely industrious, even during menses. And because she was unmarried, there was heightened sexual desire, and to suppress it, she had to work. Are you with me? So to just divert herself, the sexual thought, she had to constantly do something or the other. So this was her state. I'll tell you how I worked with the case. So took the following rubrics: the pain over is the left side, pain extending down the thigh and the lower limbs. In the mind state, hurry haste in occupation and hurry haste with sexual excitement. Now one remedy that comes common is Lilium Tig. And this is the remedy that she got, and she was much better now. You understand how we deal with the cases. So we try to understand you as a person, peculiarity about your menses. Okay.